Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can make a poll on Discord. So to begin with, I have to note the fact that the Discord application itself does not have the built-in poll feature, but you can easily do that through a third-party Discord bot. I would say that there are plenty of bots to use and to choose from, so choose whatever bot you would like to, but I'll go with the simple poll bot from TopGG website. So I'll simply invite the bot to my server like that, like you would invite any other bot pretty much. Grant all the necessary permissions, complete captcha, and here I have it. Then I will enter my Discord server. As you can see, the simple poll bot has been successfully added. Now I will access it through the commands. So here I have it. I'll start the poll. The question will be, let's say, black or red. Choice A, black. Choice B, red. Now wait for the bot to create a poll itself, and as you can see, this poll gets powered by emojis, so the people on your Discord server or channel, whatever you have put the poll particularly in, can react and vote through tapping at the emoji that contain the choice that they are making. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.